So, hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. So, hack. Hack means cut. Chop means piece into piece. If you cut the trees into piece, but this alone won't do it. This only will not kill a tree. If we cut the tree and cut into piece by piece, then also we will not kill a tree. Not so much pain will do it. It will not get pain also. The bleeding part will heal. The bleeding part where we cut the tree, that part also will heal. Heal means cured soon. It will not get pain. The bleeding part will cured, and from close to the ground will rise curled green twigs. Twigs means what? Twigs means a small thin branch of a tree. Small branch, very thin branch of a tree. If you cut from the bottom of a tree, the curled green twigs, the small branch will start growing from the close to the ground. Even we cut the tree very close to the ground, again the green twigs will start to grow. Miniature boughs. Miniature means very small. Small boughs means branches. Mini branches also will start to grow, which if unchecked will expand again to former size. If they are unchecked, the tree will grow again to its earlier size. To former size means earlier. Very fast. How was the tree? To the same size, again it will grow. After cut down the tree, if we not notice the tree, again it will grow to its former size, which if unchecked will expand again to former size. If you are not notice the tree, again it will grow to its former size. No, the root is to be pulled out. One of the anchoring earth, it is to be roped, tied and pulled out, snapped out or pulled out entirely out from the earth cave, and the strength of the tree exposed, the source, white and red, the most sensitive hidden for years inside the earth. No, the root is to be pulled out. The root, the tree's root is to be pulled out. Want to take out from the inside of the earth. The root is to be pulled out. One of the anchoring earth. Anchoring earth means what? The earth support the tree firmly. Firmly means hold tightly. The earth support the tree tightly. That is called anchoring earth. It is to be roped. If you want to kill a tree means, first of all we have to rope the tree. With the rope we have to tie the tree and pulled out. Using rope we have to pull out the tree. Then if you tied and pulled out the tree means what would happen? It becomes snapped out. Snapped means what? The tree falling sound of breaking. The falling sound, the tree falling sound, that is called snapped. Snapped out or pulled out entirely. We have to pull out the tree entirely. Completely we have to pull the tree out from the inside of the earth. The root want to come out. Okay. Out from the earth cave. Earth cave means what? A pit of the earth. Pit. There only the tree's growing place. A pit in the earth where the roots of the tree bind it firmly to the earth. A bit in the earth where the root of the tree bind. Bind means joined it firmly to the earth. So, if you want to kill the tree, we have to pull out of the tree from the earth cave. And the strength of the tree exposed. The strength of the tree refers to root. Root of the tree exposed. Actually, root of the tree always hidden inside the earth. But after pulled out the tree, it comes out of the surface. It is exposed. We can see the root of the tree. Exposed means showed. We can see the root of the tree. The source, that is the root, white and wet. The root is in white color. And wet. Wet means it is moisture, damp. Why it content wet means because it had been inside the earth. The most sensitive hidden for years inside the earth. The root of the tree is white and wet. The most sensitive. Why means it is hidden inside the earth for years. More years it had been inside the earth. So it was in white and wet. Then the matter of scorching and choking in sun and air, browning, hardening, twisting, withering, and then it is done. Then the matter after the root is pulled out from the inside the earth, of scorching and choking. Scorching means to burn. Choking means unable to breathe. So the tree in sun and the air, it getting burning, then it become browning, then hardening, then twisting, withering, and then it is done. In the sun and air, the trunk will become brown, then harden, twist, and withering. Withering means drying. Because of sun and air, the cutting tree, after pulled out from the inside the earth, it become brown, hardened, then changed its shape. Withering means drying, and then it is done. Then only you can say you kill a tree. At that last, you can say that tree is killed. What do you understand from this poem? We can't kill the tree in a single jab of the knife. After it is rooted up from inside the earth, it became in brown color, then become very hardened, and then dried. Now we can say the tree is killed. Okay children, now I am going to give you homework. The first two stanza only I am going to give you homework, study and write, because this is memory poem. First two stanza, this one, from it takes much time, from there to here, up to farmer sarees. Okay, up to this you have to study, then write neatly, send me clearly to me in the WhatsApp. Okay children, thank you.